Whole house surge protector panel upgrades are essential when building a new home to protect electronics and appliances from damaging power surges. Start by choosing a Type 1 or Type 2 whole house surge protective device rated for your service entrance voltage and with a maximum continuous operating voltage that matches your panel. Mount the device at the main service panel and connect using appropriately sized conductors as specified by the manufacturer and local electrical code, keeping lead lengths as short and straight as possible to minimize let-through energy. Verify the panel and service grounding electrode system are robust and continuous back to the service neutral, because a poor ground path defeats most surge protection benefits. Add point-of-use surge protectors at panels and on sensitive equipment such as home theater gear, desktop computers, and internet routers to catch residual transients that the whole house device lets through. For critical systems like medical devices, security panels, or network servers, pair surge protection with an uninterruptible power supply to provide ride-through capability and cleaner power during brownouts. Coordinate all protection devices with your licensed electrician so clamping voltages and response times stack correctly and warranties on equipment remain valid. Common mistakes include relying solely on a single whole house device and skipping point-of-use protection, which leaves sensitive gear exposed. Fix that by combining a properly rated panel-mounted device with local protectors. Another issue is inadequate grounding or loose connections that cause protection devices to perform poorly or fail. Have an electrician inspect and upgrade the grounding electrode system and tighten bonding as part of the installation. A third problem is mismatch of device ratings and lack of coordination with the service equipment, which can result in nuisance failures or insufficient protection. Resolve this by reviewing the surge protective device specifications with the installer and choosing models with documented coordination and a visible failure indicator. At BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and give contractors a place to connect with potential clients related to whole house surge protection and other upgrades. We also host a discussion community where owners and tradespeople share experiences, ask questions, and compare installation tips.